अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने ख्याल जाहिर किया है कि हमले का मुमकिन हदफ वही थे। वाशिंगटन होटल फायरिंग वाक़े पर मौक़िफ़ अपनाया कि उनके ख्याल में शूटिंग का ईरान जंग से ताल्लुक़ नहीं और ऐसे हमले ईरान में जंग जीतने से रोक नहीं सकते। बहुत सारे लोगों को मुल्क में लाई जाने वाली तब्दीली पसंद नहीं आ रही। सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने यह भी बावर कराया कि ये रिपब्लिकन्स पर हमले का कोई पहला मौका नहीं। अमरीकी सदर ने इस तरह के वाक़यात से निपटने के लिए बाहमी इख्तलाफ ख़त्म करने की ज़रूरत पर जोर दिया।
It doesn't happen to people that don't do anything, and it's not going to deter me from winning the war in Iran. I don't know if that had anything to do with it. I really don't think so, based on what we know. But we're going to continue to do a great job. That's all I can do. So as you know, this is not the first time in the past couple of years that our republic has been attacked by a would-be assassin who sought to kill. In Butler, Pennsylvania, less than 2 years ago. You all know that story. And in Palm Beach, Florida, a few months after that, we came close. We really had, again, we had some great work done by law enforcement. But in light of this evening's events, I ask that all Americans recommit with their hearts in resolving our difference peacefully. We have to resolve our differences. I will say, you had Republicans, Democrats, Independents, Conservatives, Liberals, and Progressives. Those words are interchangeable, perhaps, but maybe they're not. But yet everybody in that room, big crowd, record-setting crowd. There was a record-setting group of people. And there was a tremendous amount of love and coming together. I watched, and I was very, very impressed by that.